Misha. Okay, Misha, we are here in the party. We're here. Misha, why are you in the was? Misha, come here. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, Misha. I have a Coke if you want. Do you want Coke? Come here. I said don't shy. Or I'll get a belt. You want Coke? Come here. This is the birthday. This is birthday. Do you want? Kuha kong belt.
Nabili kayo nga mo, magani na dako kayo ang anak.
Isang belt. Ante, magbaros ako imo kuan ha hanger.
Si Ante.
O, bawi yung mas tubig.
Ante, baros ako imo belt ha.
Okay.
Misha! Misha, ha? Come here inside. I said don't shy. Misha! Misha! Don't shy ba? Misha. I said, let's go to the party. Your cousin is crying now. He's so sad. Where are you? Come here na ba? Your cousin is crying na. Where are you? Subscribe for part 2. Misha.
Samot na nga, sige, di makapag...
Walay money. Ito nang gato sa HM Ron.
Magpailis, di mo ba?
Dili. No.
Magpupos pa siya sa bata. Ngayon, tag-normal kay makapuli o kuwan. Bulan pa na, ayan na siya makapulok. Ato, gaida.
Stop. Misha. Part 3 subscribe. That's the end.
Kaya na naman kayo.
Sis, pwede na sila.
Sana mo, di man gani ka na magdulog-dulog.